Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to add a watermark on your video in Davinci Resolve. So if you want to add your watermark in your video in Davinci Resolve so no one can steal it, no one can download it and use it to their video, here's how you can do it. First, all you need to do is to go to Media Pool and look for the image that you want to use as your watermark or even your logo. So for example, I want to use this one as my watermark. What I need to do is drag it to the timeline and then cut it. And then once you drag your logo to your timeline, all you need to do is just right click on it. All you need to do is just select your logo, go to inspector, and go to transform, and here adjust the zoom to the size that you want. And once you get the size that you want, go to position, put it on the position that you want, and once you place it on the right position, all you need to do is go to composite, and in composite you see the opacity. You just need to reduce the opacity of the image, and that's it. You already have your watermark in your video. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.